Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ama and you are watching the second episode of Minecraft Modding 101 for Minecraft 1.7.10. In this episode we'll be going over the build.gradle file and how to add mods to our dev environment without actually adding a dependency on them. First of all, what is build.gradle? Build.gradle is basically a text file that tells Gradle how to compile your mod into a jar that can be put into the mods folder and run as a Minecraft mod. Now, how it does it is there is a plugin for Gradle called Gradle, and that gets added right here. It adds the Forge repository and a dependency of it. Then it adds the Gradle plugin, and right here it applies it. Now we get into the mod dependent things. So version would be the version of your mod. Group is the basic package in which your mod is in. In this case it would be com.example.example.mod. Archives base name, right here is mod ID. This would be the name of the jar file that will get generated. Then we have the Minecraft block. Version is the version of Forge you are using. Then we get into the dependencies. This dependencies block basically tells Gradle what to compile your mod with or against. So, as it says right here in the comments, you may put jar files which you depend on in the lives directory, or you may define them like so. And these are some real examples: com.mod-buildcraft, :buildcraft, :6.0.8, :dev, because it's the dev version we want. And this is EJML, which is another pretty useful library. And for more information on how to handle dependencies, you can go right here. And we'll see how to add a dependency on each mod's API that I'll be covering in another series in that specific series. It'll probably be the first episode. Now we get to process resources. Now this right here is really simplified. This could get really complicated, but it basically takes input property, name version, and it'll get replaced with project version. It takes the property MC version and replaces it with project.minecraft.version. Now what is project exactly? Well, project is this file. So project.version is project.version. Right here it would be 1.0. MC version is project.minecraft.version. Project Minecraft version. This is the version of Forge. And right here we have two from blocks. It takes files from this directory, which is basically the resources directory. It only includes mcmod.info and replaces version with project version and MC version with the Minecraft version. Then it takes everything and excludes mcmod.info. This basically replaces version and MC version inside mcmod.info and just copies the rest. So we can see how it's done right here. Does $signs, squiggly brackets, version, and squiggly brackets again. Same for MC version. And these two will get replaced by the build.gradle. Now, I'm not sure if it's done right here. No, it's not done inside the code. There is a way to do it inside the code. I may cover it in a more advanced tutorial. But for now, this is how build.gradle works. And that's how you would customize it. So, in this case, we have example mod. The mod ID is example mod. but we probably want to export it with a capitalized E and a capitalized M. So example mod, and the group would be com.example.exampleMod. And there we go. That would export example mod version 1.0 as a jar file. Now we're going to look into how to add mods to our dev environment without actually adding a dependency through build.gradle. To do this, we're gonna head over to Minecraft Modding 101, or however you call your folder, then go into Eclipse and go into mods. Now right here you can drop your mods, though you have to take into account that this is not a normal instance. This will only take in the obfuscated mods. Obfuscated mods, which are the ones usually released because Minecraft normally runs with obfuscated mods, those will not work. At least not right away. And we're gonna see a way around it right now. So, right here, we have chickenbones is Maven, chickenbones.net/Maven. And we're gonna go into code chicken core, and select the last 1.7.10 version, and we need to select the dev jar. There we go. We can hit download and copy it over here. This one has a 1 because I have already downloaded it before. And there we go. We now have Code Chicken Core. Apart from Code Chicken Core, we're, for example, going to add NEI, latest version, dev, and there we go. And Code Chicken Core has some pretty interesting functionality in here. It basically allows you to run obfuscated mods inside a deobfuscated or development environment. So you can basically drop pretty much any jar file now and it'll run. So we're gonna go in here and run the client. And now something is going to show up. There we go. We need to select an MCP config directory for the Obfuscator. Now what this means is that it needs to know what, for example, file name a.class with the method xc is going to do, what its real name is. So we need to go into our Gradle Caches folder. Usually it'll be inside your user directory. In my case it's not, it's in my hard drive. So we need to go into .gradle, caches, Minecraft, net, Minecraft Forge, and inside here you will see all the version of Forge you have set up a decomposer space for. You just need to select the one you are working with, which I think is this one. We can always check. No, it's 1448, though it shouldn't make too big of a difference. Right here, 1448. We need to go to unpacked and config, and right here is where the Mcp info is. So we can open this again. Just look at it go. Oh, you may sometimes encounter this right here. It just gets frozen 3 out of 7, 4 out of 9. That is an issue with FML as far as I know. You just have to run the game again. Just wait a moment while it loads. And just give it a moment. There we go, it just went past that point and we can go into our world and drum roll. We have an AI! Yay! Now, I tried to record this yesterday and I had some issues. So the settings seem to be here already, though I removed the config directory. But yeah, we have an AI. The thing I like to do is disable dawn, disable dusk, and turn rain off and force it to be off. And that way I can just switch between midnight and noon really, really easily and just have access to all the items. And there we go. That's how you install mods into your dev environment. I hope you liked this episode. Leave a like if you did. Tell me in the comments below what you think I should do next. I have more or less of an idea of what I want to do, though I'm all in for opinions. So go ahead, tell me whatever you think I should do. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.